Coca-Cola's Q4 2023 earnings are just out. So I said I'd celebrate with a bottle of Coca-Cola. Who says marketing doesn't work? It does work. I was thinking about Coca-Cola and I bought a bottle. Now, without further ado, let's get into the numbers for Coca-Cola. So you can see that Coca-Cola is trading at $59.29 at the moment. This is the 1 minute charts. And yeah, it's been on a bit of a rise the last few minutes. I'll go back to the 1 weekly chart now just to show you. So when Coca-Cola was at its peak, that was around the 18th of April 2022, it hit highs of 66.37. But as I said, now it's down to 59.28. So I'll just go into an article now that I have here as well, breaking down the numbers for you. So Coca-Cola sales beat estimates helped by higher prices. And full credit to the author of this article, Emilia Lucas. So Coca-Cola posted earnings that met expectations and sales that beat estimates. Higher prices helped the beverage giant overcome lower volume in North America. So the key points are, so on Tuesday, Coca-Cola posted quarterly earnings that met expectations and sales that topped estimates as higher prices helped the beverage maker overcome a volume decline in North America. So earnings per share, 49 cents adjusted versus 49 cents expected. So that came in as expected. Revenue, 10.85 billion versus 10.68 billion expected. So that came in lower. Shares of the company closed down less than 1% on Tuesday. So like it didn't make an awful lot of difference. And Coca-Cola is one I've been watching for quite a while. And like I said, when it hit its peak, it was at over $66 a share. It's at 59 now. It doesn't move an awful lot, but it is steady and it does pay dividend as far as I know. So net sales rose 7% to 10.85 billion. Coke's organic revenue, which strips out acquisitions, and climbed 12% in the quarter. So North America's volume shrank 1% as demand for Coke, water, sports drinks, coffee, and tea fell. I do forget that Coca-Cola does all these things. I don't really buy them apart from the Coca-Cola, the sugar and the non-sugar Coca-Cola. I've never had the Coca-Cola flavored tea or anything like that, or the tea that's made by the Coca-Cola company. Sorry. Coke CEO James Quinchy said some North American consumers with less disposable income have been squeezed more by inflation. Those shoppers have focused more on affordability and spent more time at home. Well, yeah, that's like during COVID when people had less disposable income. They stayed at home, they cooked at home, and I guess they're not buying as much Coca-Cola products in this case, and they're just, I suppose, drinking water and that kind of thing. So the looking to the first quarter, Coke is anticipating a 4% headwind from currency exchange rates on its comparable revenue. The company also expects foreign exchange to slow its earnings per share growth and anticipates an 8% hit from currency changes during the period. Yeah, that's like, say, if you're trading, say, uh, the major forex pairs like the Australian dollar, USD, Euro, USD, all these currency fluctuations. This also affects, say, the exchange rates from the euro to the US dollar for companies that are buying and selling products, as well as buying and selling stocks and shares. So yeah, that you have to take all that into account. But like things have been pretty good for Coca-Cola overall. As I said, Coca-Cola sales beat estimates, and the reason is because they increased their prices, and that helped. Have another drop of Coca-Cola before I finish. Thanks for watching. That was refreshing. Take care.